Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic, the psychology of attraction, why we like who we like. Ever wondered why you're drawn to certain people and not others? Why does someone's smile make your heart race while another's leaves you indifferent? Stick around because we're going to uncover the science and psychology behind attraction. Attraction is a complex phenomenon influenced by a blend of biological, psychological, and social factors. It's a topic that has intrigued scientists, psychologists, and everyday people alike. Have you ever wondered why you're drawn to certain individuals and not others? What makes someone's smile or voice particularly captivating? In this article, we'll explore the science behind attraction, uncovering why we like who we like. The biological basis of attraction. Evolutionary roots. Attraction is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history. From an evolutionary perspective, our brains and bodies are designed to seek out partners who appear to have good genes, health, and the ability to support offspring. This evolutionary wiring has shaped our subconscious preferences over millennia. Symmetrical features, for example, are often perceived as more attractive because they signal genetic health. A symmetrical face suggests that an individual has developed healthily despite environmental stresses, which can be an indicator of robust genes. This preference for symmetry extends beyond faces to other physical traits as well, making symmetry a key factor in initial attraction. Voice and physical traits. Voice plays a significant role too. In men, a deep voice can signal higher testosterone levels, which is associated with strength and virility. In women, a higher pitched voice can indicate higher estrogen levels, linked with fertility. These vocal cues can influence our perceptions of attractiveness on a subconscious level, guiding us towards partners who might have desirable genetic qualities. The role of pheromones. Pheromones are chemical signals our bodies release that can affect the behavior of others. Though they are invisible and odorless to our conscious minds, they can play a crucial role in attraction. Research has shown that people can be subconsciously attracted to the natural scent of individuals with different immune system genes, a concept observed in the sweaty t-shirt experiment. In this study, women preferred the scent of t-shirts worn by men whose immune system genes were different from their own. This attraction to diverse immune system genes enhances the potential genetic diversity and robustness of offspring. So, when you find someone's natural scent particularly appealing, it might be a biological cue indicating a good genetic match. Psychological factors in attraction. Similarity and familiarity. Psychological factors also play a pivotal role in attraction. One of the most powerful is similarity. We are often drawn to people who share our interests, values, and even our sense of humor. Similarity fosters a sense of familiarity and comfort, making us feel understood and validated. This is why people with similar backgrounds, hobbies, or life views often find each other attractive. Proximity and exposure. Proximity, or physical closeness, is another significant factor. The mere exposure effect suggests that repeated exposure to a person increases our liking for them. This is why many relationships develop in settings where people spend a lot of time together, such as schools or workplaces. Simply being around someone frequently can enhance their attractiveness to us over time. Reciprocity of liking. Reciprocity plays a critical role as well. We tend to like people who show that they like us. When someone gives us attention or compliments, it boosts our self-esteem, making us more inclined to reciprocate those positive feelings. This mutual exchange of interest and admiration can be a powerful catalyst for deeper attraction. The power of physical touch. Physical touch can also enhance attraction. Gentle, appropriate touches release oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which deepens emotional bonds and attraction. Simple touches, like a hand on the shoulder or a casual hug, can create a significant connection between people. Attachment styles. Our early relationships with caregivers shape our attachment styles, influencing our romantic preferences later in life. People with secure attachment styles tend to have healthier, more stable relationships. In contrast, those with anxious or avoidant attachment styles may face more challenges. Understanding your attachment style can offer valuable insights into your attraction patterns and relationship dynamics. Personal preferences and experiences. Cultural influences. Cultural background significantly shapes our ideals of beauty and attractiveness. What is considered attractive in one culture might differ vastly from another. For instance, while a fuller figure might be celebrated in some cultures, a slimmer physique might be more desirable in others. These cultural norms can shape our personal preferences, influencing who we find attractive. Impact of past experiences. Past relationships also play a role in shaping attraction. We might be drawn to individuals who remind us of positive past relationships or avoid traits associated with negative experiences. These preferences can be tied to personality traits, physical features, or specific behaviors that evoke memories of past partners. Parental influence. Subconsciously, we might be attracted to people who resemble our opposite sex parent, a phenomenon known as imprinting. This is thought to occur because our early experiences with caregivers shape our model of a desirable partner. If you had a nurturing, loving parent, you might be drawn to partners who exhibit similar qualities. Self-concept and self-esteem. Our self-concept and self-esteem also influence who we find attractive. If we have a positive self-image, we are more likely to seek out partners who reflect that image and who we believe are a good match. Conversely, if we struggle with self-esteem, we might be drawn to partners who reinforce our self-doubt or who mirror our insecurities. Fulfilling psychological needs. We are often attracted to people who fulfill our psychological needs. If we need validation, we might seek out partners who provide lots of affirmation. If we crave adventure, we might be drawn to someone spontaneous and daring. These needs can shape our preferences and guide us towards partners who complement our personalities and desires. The influence of media and society. Media representation. Media plays a significant role in shaping our ideas of attraction. From movies and TV shows to social media, we are constantly bombarded with images and narratives of what's attractive. These portrayals often feature idealized versions of people, which can skew our perceptions and set unrealistic expectations. Seeing these idealized images repeatedly can lead to comparisons and dissatisfaction with real-life relationships. It's essential to be aware of these influences and to maintain a realistic perspective on attraction, recognizing that media representations are often exaggerated or curated. Social norms. Social norms dictate what types of relationships are acceptable or desirable in different cultures. These norms can influence our behavior in seeking and maintaining relationships, as we often strive to conform to societal expectations. For instance, societal norms about age, gender roles, and relationship dynamics can affect who we are attracted to and how we pursue relationships. Peer influence. Our peers and social circles also impact our attraction. If our friends or social groups have certain preferences or values, we might feel inclined to align with them. This can affect who we find attractive and how we pursue relationships, as peer approval can be a powerful motivator in our social interactions. The science of flirting. Nonverbal cues. Flirting is an essential aspect of attraction, and there's a surprising amount of science behind it. Nonverbal communication, such as body language, eye contact, and physical proximity, plays a significant role. Subtle cues like touching your hair, mirroring the other person's movements, or maintaining eye contact can signal interest and attraction. Verbal flirting. Verbal flirting involves playful teasing, compliments, and humor. These behaviors can create a sense of connection and rapport. Humor, in particular, is effective in breaking the ice and making interactions more enjoyable and memorable. Playful banter can build a sense of intimacy and mutual attraction. The importance of timing. Timing is crucial in flirting. Knowing when to escalate or pull back can make a significant difference. It's about reading the other person's reactions and adjusting your behavior accordingly. Moving too fast can be overwhelming, while moving too slowly might signal a lack of interest. Effective flirting involves a balance of showing interest while respecting the other person's comfort and boundaries. Confidence and approachability. Confidence is attractive because it suggests self-assurance and security. This doesn't mean being overly bold or arrogant, but rather being comfortable with yourself and showing genuine interest in the other person. Confidence can make you more approachable and appealing, enhancing the likelihood of forming a meaningful connection. Conclusion. Attraction is a multifaceted phenomenon influenced by a blend of biological, psychological, and social factors. Understanding these influences can help us navigate our own attractions and relationships more mindfully. From the biological signals of symmetry and pheromones to the psychological principles of similarity, reciprocity, and personal experiences, attraction is a complex interplay of forces. Remember, attraction is deeply personal and varies from person to person. What one individual finds irresistible might leave another indifferent. It's this diversity in preferences and experiences that makes human relationships so rich and intriguing. The key is finding someone who makes you feel valued, respected, and happy, and who complements your unique personality and desires. By appreciating the science and psychology behind attraction, we can better understand our own preferences and the dynamics of our relationships. Whether you're seeking a new connection or deepening an existing one, understanding why we like who we like can enhance your journey towards fulfilling and meaningful relationships. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it interesting. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the mind.